In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Jotform API key. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate forms into your project, or someone with a keen interest in automating workflows, obtaining an API key from Jotform is an essential first step. So, grab a cup of your favorite beverage, and let's dive right in. We'll begin our journey on the homepage of Jotform, a powerful online form builder and form creator tool. If you're not familiar with Jotform, it's a platform that allows users to create custom forms for various purposes, such as registrations, surveys, and even order forms. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the clean, user-friendly interface inviting you to explore more. The first action we need to take is to log into our Jotform account. To do this, look for the login button prominently displayed, usually at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will bring you to the login page where you have several options for signing in. For those of you who prefer the quick route, you might want to use Google for a one-click sign-in process. Alternatively, if you've linked your Jotform account to another platform, you can choose that option too. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the My Forms page. This is where all your form magic happens. It's like a dashboard showcasing all the forms you've created or are working on. Your next step involves navigating to your profile. You should see your profile or avatar icon located at the top right corner of the page. A quick click on that will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, you need to access the Settings option. This is your gateway to various configurations and preferences related to your Jotform account. Settings is where you can customize your account details, manage email notifications, and much more. But our main goal here is to locate the API section. So, within the settings menu, look for the option marked API and click on it. This will take you to the page where all API related operations happen. Now here we are, at the heart of the matter, generating your unique API key. On the API page, you will find a button labeled Create New Key. This is precisely what you need to click on to initiate the creation of your new API key. Clicking on Create New Key will prompt a dialog box where you might be asked to set permissions or specify the level of access for the API key. It's important to choose the right level of access depending on what you plan to do with the API. After making your selection, confirm your choice and voila, your brand new Jotform API key is now ready. Remember, this API key is like a secret handshake between your applications and Jotform services. It allows you to request and retrieve data from your forms programmatically. So, it's crucial to keep this key safe and not share it with unauthorized individuals. And that's it, you've successfully obtained your Jotform API key. Whether you're planning to integrate form data into your applications, automate workflows, or simply experiment with Jotform's API, you're now equipped with the key to unlock numerous possibilities. Before we wrap up, a couple of pro tips. First, be mindful of the API usage limits. Depending on your account type, there may be limitations on the number of requests you can make within a certain time frame. Second, always test your integrations in a development environment before going live. This ensures that everything runs smoothly and as expected. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy form building, and until next time, keep innovating and automating your workflows with Jotform.